The risks of using a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet and why you should consider a dedicated wallet instead. Many people make the mistake of using a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet, but this can be risky. Here are some reasons why you should consider using a dedicated wallet instead. Security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are a prime target for hackers, and if the exchange is hacked, your funds could be at risk. Lack of control. When you use a cryptocurrency exchange as a wallet, you don't have complete control over your coins. The exchange may freeze your funds or limit your ability to withdraw them. Limited functionality. Cryptocurrency exchanges are designed primarily for trading, not for storing coins. They may not offer the same level of security or functionality as a dedicated wallet. Using a dedicated wallet, such as a hardware wallet or software wallet, can offer greater security and control over your coins. It's important to do your research and choose a reputable wallet provider that suits your specific needs.